Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase download speed in Torrent on Android. For this I'm actually using this software called uTorrent. You can use any client, but basically once you launch the app, you come at the top left, you click on these three horizontal lines, and here on the left hand panel, click on settings. Now here you'll see bandwidth, okay? You can go ahead and toggle this one on if you want, Wi-Fi networks only, okay? And what you basically need to do here, download limits, okay? Click on this. Usually it might be set to a lower limit, for example 1000 kbps, 2000. Go ahead and set this to maximum, okay? So that you get unlimited download speeds. Same thing for upload, okay? And you can increase this, so your active torrent limit, you can turn that off, right? That's all you have to do. Just make sure you have put them on maximum for your download limit at least. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.